If you're about to sign up for ZoomInfo or Lusha, stop and watch this video first because the better choice might not be the one that you think. ZoomInfo is the enterprise standard, and Lusha is the budget-friendly underdog. Both promise accurate contact data, verified emails, and tools to help you close more deals. But which one is actually worth your money? Well, in this video, we're comparing ZoomInfo versus Lusha, looking at their databases, outreach tools, standout features, and yes, the pricing. And if you're looking for the smartest way to scale your outbound sales without locking yourself into a year-long contract, then you'll want to stick around until the end because there's actually a third option that might be even better. Now let's start with a quick intro to both of these platforms. ZoomInfo is widely considered the heavyweight in B2B data, especially if you're targeting companies in North America. They claim to have over 320 million professional contacts, backed by intent data, detailed buyer insights, and org charts to help you zero in on your decision makers. You also get conversation intelligence via their Chorus AI integration, letting you analyze sales calls and improve outreach. Now their platform is modular. You get Sales OS, Marketing OS, Talent OS, and more. So it really just scales based on what you're looking for, whether you're in sales, marketing, or recruiting. Now it's mainly built for mid-market and enterprise teams, and it brings some serious power to the table. But that power comes at a price, which we'll get into soon. But first, let's just see how it compares to Lusha. Now, Lusha is a B2B data platform built for simplicity, speed, and affordability. It's known for delivering verified contact info, especially for direct dials and emails, right where sales teams usually work: LinkedIn, websites, and CRMs. Now, you'll get access to over 100 million contacts globally with tools for prospecting, list building, and that CRM enrichment. Lusha also has a Chrome extension that pulls up contact data while you browse LinkedIn or company websites, making it super easy for SDRs and recruiters to work so much faster. Lusha is lightweight, user-friendly, and it's a great fit for small teams or solo operators who want accurate data without enterprise complexity or that enterprise pricing. Now, let's compare ZoomInfo and Lusha directly, starting with lead generation and database quality. Now, when it comes to contact databases, both of these platforms are major players, but they take different approaches. Now, ZoomInfo claims to have over 320 million contacts with deep coverage in North America. Their data is enriched using machine learning, third-party sources, and real-time updates. Now, Lusha, on the other hand, has around 100 million contacts, so smaller than ZoomInfo, but it focuses on verified, accessible data, especially for decision makers. It's built for teams that want to find phone numbers and emails fast, right from LinkedIn or company websites, without needing a data team to navigate the tool. Now, ZoomInfo still wins when it comes to org charts, intent signals, and advanced targeting. But if you're looking for a lightweight alternative with a faster learning curve, then Lusha might be the better fit. But if you're looking for the largest and most accurate database of verified leads that's also cost-effective, honestly, I wouldn't recommend either of these. I'd actually recommend that you check out Wiza. Wiza gives you access to over 830 million real-time verified contacts, which is more than Lusha and ZoomInfo combined. You can prospect directly inside Wiza or scrape verified contact data straight from LinkedIn profiles and Sales Navigator with the Chrome extension. It also integrates directly with CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, and even has a Zapier integration so you can send your data wherever you want. Now, you can learn more about Wiza by checking out this video here or go down to the link in the description to try Wiza out for free. Let's talk about outreach tools now. Now, when it comes to outreach and sales engagement, ZoomInfo comes with its own native engagement platform called Engage. You can build email sequences, set up call tasks, and even automate follow-ups, basically run full outbound workflows directly inside this tool. It also integrates with Chorus AI, which is conversational intelligence, so you can analyze sales calls and improve your scripts over time. Now, Lusha doesn't have a full-blown sequencing platform built in, but it does integrate with HubSpot, Salesforce, Outreach, and Pipedrive. So if you already have a sales engagement tool that you love, Lusha will fit in without trying to replace it. But if you do want an all-in-one outbound platform with built-in outreach, then ZoomInfo might be the way to go. Now, let's talk about analytics. Now, when it comes to ZoomInfo, it gives you all of your detailed campaign analytics directly in the Engage platform. You can track opens, clicks, replies, and even connect those signals with buyer intent data. If you do use Chorus AI, you'll also get call recording and AI-driven insights from your sales conversations. This is great for sales managers who want to coach reps or spot winning patterns in real time. Now, Lusha is more streamlined. It focuses on data enrichment, contact quality, and pipeline acceleration, but it doesn't offer any deep analytics or conversational application intelligence. So if you do want analytics, coaching, and reporting all in one place, ZoomInfo is the more advanced platform. But if your team just needs fast, reliable lead data and you already use other tools to handle your outreach, then Lusha might be all you need. Now, before we compare the pricing, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked, and that's the user experience. Now, when it comes to ZoomInfo, it's packed with features, but that power comes with a lot of complexity. It's built for larger teams and enterprise workflows, which means it can take some time to learn and set up properly. Now, most users need onboarding and admin support to get the most out of this platform, but once it is up and running, it's a robust system that actually delivers. On G2, ZoomInfo has a 4.5 out of 5 rating from over 8,700 reviews. Some users are saying that the onboarding process was excellent, while others mention that the interface isn't always intuitive and it takes some time to get used to. Now, Lusha is the opposite. It's fast, simple, and easy to use. It's perfect for small teams or individuals. You can install the Chrome extension, click on a LinkedIn profile, and instantly get verified emails and phone numbers, kind of like Wiza. Dashboard is clean and there's almost no learning curve. Lusha has a 4.3 out of 5 rating on G2 right now from around 1,500 reviews. Based on the reviews, users seem to love how quick and intuitive it is. Some reviewers are even saying that it's easy to use and even fun to work with, especially when you just want to find contacts without overcomplicating things. Now, let's talk about the pricing, and because for both of these tools, it is a big factor. So here's how they compare. ZoomInfo offers 3 main pricing plans: professional, advanced, and elite. The professional plan starts at $15,000 per year and includes 5,000 bulk credits. The advanced plan jumps to $25,000 per year with 10,000 credits and 1,000 monthly credits per user. Then there's that elite plan, which comes in at about $40,000 per year, but it does have the most advanced features and the same monthly credit structure. Now, adding extra seats costs extra, usually between $1,500 and $2,500 per user, depending on your plan. It should be noted that ZoomInfo also charges extras for add-ons, things like worldwide data, form complete, inbox AI premium, and probably a bunch of other little tools that they add on. Now, don't forget, ZoomInfo is an annual contract and many contracts auto-renew, so canceling can require at least 60 days notice. So the bottom line here, ZoomInfo is powerful, but it's built for mid-market and enterprise teams that can commit to a long-term investment. Now, Lusha, on the other hand, is more transparent and accessible when it comes to its pricing. They offer a free plan which gives you 5 credits per month. Then their pro plan starts at just $29 per month and scales up based on credits. The premium plan is around $79 per month with higher credit limits and more features. Now, for larger teams, Lusha offers custom pricing, which still comes in significantly cheaper than ZoomInfo, usually by tens of thousands of dollars per year. Plus, there's no long-term contract required on the standard plan, which is a huge win for small businesses and fast-moving teams. So what's the final verdict here? Which one should you choose, Lusha or ZoomInfo? Well, if you're running a small team, want fast access to verified contact data, and don't need a full-on sales engagement platform, then Lusha is probably going to be a no-brainer. It's affordable, simple, and built for speed. But if you're a mid-market or enterprise company and you want robust org charts, deep analytics, and intent-driven workflows, especially if you're focused on North America, then ZoomInfo might be the better fit for you. But if you're just looking for the largest and most accurate database of verified contact data without all of the crazy pricing or annual contracts, then Wiza might actually be the better choice. You get unlimited real-time verified leads from a database of over 830 million contacts and a full integration with LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, and popular CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, and more. If you want to see how Wiza stacks up to Lusha and ZoomInfo, then check out this video right here. I'll show you how to use Wiza to find, scrape, and verify your lead list in seconds. You can also try Wiza for free by using the link in the description. So have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.